You would have to watch anything you see here, including this.
Okay.
And make sure they are clean and nicely ironed.
Sure, I will.
Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears, oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know.
We have read through your application. Now, let me ask you. Why do you want to be a houseboy?
I want to make money.
You want to make money?
Yes.
By being a houseboy?
Yes.
How do you intend to do that?
Once I get paid.
Sure you will.
Good.
Are you sure you are not a thief who wants to rob us?
If I were, this wouldn't be the house I would rob.
Hey, okay for sir.
I like your confidence.
Thank you.
Have you been a houseboy before?
This will be my first time.
And you are sure you can do it?
Very well.
Okay. Mensah, take him around. Show him his duties. Then we'll discuss about his salary later.
Okay. Follow me.
Love can hide in simple things, but pride can make us blind.
Alright, this is the kitchen. So, let me take you to the laundry.
There was nothing, no gold, no name.
This is our laundry room.
No pride, no.
Yeah, and I hope you know how to use this washing machine.
I do.
Are you sure?
Seriously, I do. I know how to use it.
If anything spoils here. And this is where we keep our dirty clothes. You will be washing every Tuesdays and Saturdays. Meaning you are going to wash twice a week.
Okay.
Good. And you would have to wash anything you see here, including this.
Okay.
And make sure they are clean and nicely ironed.
Sure, I will.
Okay. I've told you. And if you don't do the work well, we are not going to pay you.
I will.
That is it. Please be cleaning this place also, because sometimes when I come here, I don't feel.
He looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see it.
I hope you can do the job after seeing your duties in this house.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
I hope you are not going to give excuses later, because if you do, we won't pay you.
I'm ready for it, ma'am.
Okay. In that case, we have agreed to pay you 600 cedis. We are going to feed you, accommodate you, and take care of you in terms of health.
Lest I forget, you'll be the one to go to market to get foodstuffs.
No problem, I'm ready.
Yankuma, You are not talking. Don't you have anything to tell him?
Well, since he has agreed to everything, all I can do is wish him that. Good luck.
Thank you.
Can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart and tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart and tears. Now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart and tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart and tears, oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know.
Welcome, madam.
Where are my sisters?
Efya went out when you left, then Jankuma has gone for action lectures.
Okay, is dinner ready? I'm hungry.
Yes, it's ready. Should I serve you now?
Are you okay? I just told you I'm hungry. You're asking if you should serve me. No. Eat all the food.
See, Mr. Ansah, me pacho, make sure say Osabeka Salska. No, me pay your money, me, no, any no. Debbie, I didn't know what someone this can do. No, you can't do that. Mr. It's not by this time I send Kanskana. Me, maybe you won't be more energy. I didn't know more, sir. Huh? Debbie, Obiujuma more, and I'm more, you say, like, no. And I'm Makachon. And that's the final. Ade.
Sis, what is the problem?
Okay, say me catch your accountant now or where you no or J Juma. Now answer no be kono. Client this can be bar a wholesale on farmer company no. Could you believe to this kind of Janeko?
How?
Na Miss Samson ni pa onim ni whereabouts. And my friend can say, Uncle boy guy no, non-gis canembra. And on also me excuses and now say or china say. And I'm meaning go so yakasa or never pierce no.
But how say all this kind of beko? You see these workers, when they realize that their boss is not coming to work, then they tend to misbehave. Sis, I think you should be going there often. If you can't go there to let me go, because you know me, once I step my foot into that office, they won't take it lightly with me.
You know, take it easy. When him say, go school, and then you'll be your exams. So just concentrate on your book. Now, just hand it to me. I will take care of it. If you need me, I met Akua Jumbo.
Sis, you better do. Cause me, no more you with dream when you may bufukra.
You don't worry. Now send me a met alcohol.
I can see you're working really hard.
Yeah, I have to. I don't want any conflicts.
I see. So, tell me, why does a nice guy like you decide to be a houseboy?
Actually, I prefer this to the streets.
And for how long do you intend on doing this job?
Once I get paid.
Hi, Richard.
Ma'am,
I am looking for you to come and clean up my bathroom. You are here talking.
I'm sorry, Jankuma was asking.
You don't talk when I'm talking. And you, what are you doing here with this thing?
Stay here. Only
Come free up when I'm in
stay here.
Free up! Hey, and you! Will you stop whatever you're doing and move to my bathroom?
Okay, madam.
You don't swim.
kindness shining in her eyes. She could see beyond disguise. Where there's love, there will be peace. Where there's truth, pain will cease. She held him close, she understood. Loved him purely, loved him good. Oh, what you had slipped away. You didn't see it yesterday. Now the truth is crystal clear. But
And why is your face like this?
Have you noticed the Akua?
What does Sister Efya done?
I was only there talking to him more. And then Sister Akua just came in, ranting, shouting, and insulting him as if he has done something wrong. But the guy didn't do anything wrong. I was just asking him questions.
So if Sister Efya shouted at the house, what is wrong in that?
Sister Mensah.
Is he your brother?
Sister Mensah. Sister Mensah, it's not fair. Oh. It's not fair. The fact that that guy is a house sub doesn't mean he's not human like us. He's human too, you know.
Oh. See, you. I am beginning to suspect you. I think you have something to do with that houseboy.
Me?
Yes, because I don't understand why you always jump to his defense. Is he your brother? He did wrong.
Mr. Mensah, he didn't do anything wrong. Oh. He didn't do anything wrong. And with the way people are treating this guy in this house, it's not nice. Who knows where you're also going to meet him and you need his help? This one is a small place, so remember that.
Okay. Do you know something? I want you to go and tell Sister Efya this.